Hi, I'm Dr. Nate Bridges, a biomedical engineer with the 711th Human Performance Wing. And a lot of my research has been in cognitive neuroscience. And what I do at the Air Force Research Lab is serve as a program lead. So I basically direct technical and programmatically the efforts of team members across the US, as well as different directorates here at the lab. And a lot of our goal is centered on how do we improve performance, particularly how do we personalize learning, and enable technology so that they can adapt to the individual so that that individual can reach their greatest potential. So reading from the brain might fall under what you would call a brain-computer interface, or BCI, and that's about reading brain signals that you can then pass through algorithms, so that might be your machine learning, or to interpret the meaning of those signals, and then you can do something useful with it. So if I can read your brain signals, like say if I know your level of attention, can I start to take technology, and I like to say empower technology, so that it can change, because now it knows something about you and how it might change to make you the better version of yourself. I've gone through multiple stages here at the A4L. I started off as a student while I was in college. I didn't know anything about, like science and research. So there's a lot of opportunity. Like I've gone from, I come out of graduate school. I was basically like a postdoc. Within a year, I was like a principal investigator. Within like another year or so, I built a team, and now I'm a team lead. In another year or so, I'm leading a line of effort. Another year or so, I'm leading a program with over 45 people, literally across the United States. I don't think I would be able to do that or have the same opportunities that I had here to develop and grow as a leader as I would outside of the Air Force. I think it's a much longer path. The bottom line is you get to do things here that you can't do other places, and you can't put money on that. The cliche would be a price tag on that.
0 contact. 7.
The science part of me really enjoys playing with cool things. And the science part of me really enjoys asking the what if question, or just trying to understand, how does this thing work? How does the brain work? When you tie it to the A4L, realizing that the work you're doing could actually save lives. Like it's like a hybrid of like I get to play, but it's real. Like I'm working on something that is going to actually do something for someone someday. And so that's really exciting. Like it makes me, that's the hope, that's the dream, like that me and my colleagues, we can come up with something that so someone can actually use it and actually make them better. You need someone who can serve the people who serve. And I think, that falls into that. Like, so if one day someone is using something I had a part of, that's the dream. Like, that's awesome. Like that I had a hand in making someone's life better. I had a hand in improving our defense. So yeah, it's awesome.